Why do royal people sound so calm, elegant, and powerful when they speak? What makes their English so different from ours? Today, I'll show you the secrets behind Royal English and how you can speak with the same confidence and elegance in your own life. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday Fluent English. My name is Adam, and today I've got something really special for you. Have you ever listened to Queen Elizabeth, King Charles, or Prince William and thought that royal people have a very unique way of speaking? Their English is clear, polished, and powerful. It makes people stop and listen. And here's the good news. You don't need to be a king, a queen, or a prince to learn this style. You can use the same techniques in your own English to sound more confident, more professional, and even more persuasive. In today's video, I'm going to break it all down for you. We'll look at the key features of Royal English. We'll practice with shadowing exercises so you can copy their style. And I'll give you practical tips that you can use in your daily life, whether you're speaking at work, at school, or just in normal conversations. So, grab a notebook, stay with me until the end, and let's learn how royal people speak English. The very first thing you'll notice about royal speech is clear pronunciation. Royals pronounce their words carefully. They don't mumble, and they don't cut words too short. Every syllable gets its moment. For example, let's take the word family. Most people in casual English say it quickly, family, but a royal speaker will say, family. 3 clear syllables. Another one, opportunity. Casual, optai. Royal, opportunitai. All 5 syllables are there. Now let's shadow together. Repeat after me. Family, opportunity, responsibility, celebration, community. Take your time. Don't rush. Give each syllable space. One big mistake many learners make is trying to speak too fast. They think speaking quickly makes them sound more fluent. But actually, speaking too fast makes your English sound unclear. Royals know this. That's why they slow down and give every word importance. The second feature of royal speech is pace. Royals speak slowly, and they use pauses very effectively. Why? Because when you pause, your words become more powerful. People have time to think about what you said. Let me show you the difference. If I say, "We must remain strong in the face of challenges," and I say it fast, it sounds rushed and ordinary. But if I add pauses, "We must remain strong in the face of challenges," it suddenly feels powerful. Now let's practice shadowing with some sentences. We must remain strong in the face of challenges. Let us look forward with hope and determination. Together, we can build a brighter future. We are here today to celebrate our unity. Notice how the pauses give the sentences more weight. Here's a tip. When you feel nervous and want to use filler words like or replace them with a pause instead. That's exactly what royal speakers do. Another feature is tone. Royals speak with a calm, gentle, but steady voice. They don't shout. They don't sound overly emotional. Even when they are serious, they sound controlled. For example, Queen Elizabeth often began speeches with phrases like, "It is with deep gratitude that I speak to you today." Her tone was soft, measured, and respectful. Now let's shadow some calm royal sentences. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you here. We are deeply thankful for your kindness. This is a moment of reflection and unity. We stand together, strong and resolute. Try to keep your voice soft but steady. Imagine you're speaking to thousands of people, but you want them to feel calm and reassured. This is one of the biggest differences between Royal English and everyday casual English. Vocabulary. Royals avoid slang, casual expressions, and overly simple words. Instead, they use formal, polite vocabulary. Here are some swaps you can try. Instead of "I'm super happy," say "I am delighted." Instead of "thanks a lot," say "we are most grateful." Instead of "I gotta do this," say "it is my duty." Instead of "that's cool," say "that is most pleasing." Let's shadow together. I am delighted to be here with you. We are most grateful for your generosity. It is my duty to serve the people. This occasion is most meaningful. Do you see the difference? The words sound more elegant and respectful. You can use these in formal settings like job interviews, presentations, or important conversations. Royal speakers always sound confident. But here's the secret. Their confidence comes not from speaking louder or faster, but from speaking calmly and using silence effectively. They also avoid filler words like like, you know. Instead, they pause. For example, we look to the future with hope and determination. Doesn't that sound confident? Now shadow these sentences with me. We face these times with courage and unity. Our responsibility is clear, and we must act with wisdom. This nation has endured much, and will endure much more. We honor the past and look forward to the future. Remember, confidence is not speed. Confidence is clarity. Another key feature of royal speech is politeness. Royals always show respect in their words. Here are some examples. It would be a pleasure to meet you. We are honored by your presence. Please accept our warmest thanks. We wish you happiness and peace. Now shadow these sentences with me. It is truly an honor to be among you today. We are deeply grateful for your welcome. May this occasion bring joy and harmony to all. Please accept my heartfelt thanks. Using polite expressions makes your English sound not only royal, but also kind and respectful. Now let's do a longer shadowing practice. I'll give you sentences inspired by royal speeches. Repeat them slowly, clearly, and with pauses. 1. It is a privilege to serve the people of this nation. 2. We are deeply grateful for your kindness and support. 3. Let us work together for a brighter future. 4. On this occasion, I wish you happiness and peace. 5. We face these times with courage and unity. 6. This gathering is a symbol of hope and progress. 7. May we always be guided by wisdom and compassion. 8. We honor the sacrifices of those who came before us. 9. The strength of our community lies in its unity. 10. Together we can achieve great things. Now that you understand the style, let's talk about how you can use it in your own life. Slow down your speech. Record yourself reading a short passage. Then listen. Are you rushing? If yes, try again but slower. Remember, slow speech equals clear speech. Each day replace one casual phrase with a more elegant one. Instead of "sure, no problem," say "I would be happy to." Instead of "thanks, that's nice," say "I truly appreciate your kindness." When you feel like saying or like, just pause. Silence is more powerful than filler words. Go to YouTube, find a short clip of a royal speech, and copy just one line. Shadow it until it feels natural. Try speaking like this at work, in presentations, or even when you meet new people. You'll notice they listen more carefully. So what have we learned today? Royal people speak English with clear pronunciation, a slower pace and effective pauses, a calm, gentle tone, formal, polite vocabulary, confidence and authority, and always with respect and elegance. Remember, you don't need to be royal to speak like this. You can use these techniques in your daily life to sound more confident, professional, and polished. Imagine walking into a job interview, giving a presentation, or even just introducing yourself at a meeting. If you speak with clarity, calmness, and confidence, people will listen, and they will respect you more. So here's my challenge for you. Choose one royal phrase from today's video and use it in your next conversation. Just one. Over time, these small habits will transform your English. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Everyday Fluent English. And of course, keep shadowing with me in the next video. Until then, remember, you don't need a crown to speak like royalty. You just need practice. See you next time.